This is Richard back at you. This is a reason why we just don't do carryouts. They took this thing home and put it in. We did this back in March. This is December. They brought it back to us saying that it's not working. The speed sensor wire doesn't work or anything like that. So this is what we're seeing. They ran new wires up to the controller, I guess, and got that working. This is the transfer case vent hose. It's just stuck to the frame. The wiring looks like that. We come over here. We have a bell housing bolt for a mount bolt. We have a transmission adapter bolt that's supposed to be in the mount. None of the wires are hooked up. He's telling me that he's got 3 miles on it or so. Does that look like 3 miles of oil, dust, and blowback? Don't think so. The vent tube up there. There's no vent hose for the tranny to keep water from getting into it. You know, this is why we just don't do carryouts, guys. The tranny's burning up. You know, everything about this is wrong. So, you know, can you blame me? Even these crossmember bolts. Look at this. This bolt's loose. This bolt's got the nut on it. Excuse me. This bolt's got the nut on it, but the bolt's gone. You know, so put that back up in there. That's a custom job, so I don't want to mess that up. But you see what we're talking about, guys. It's just terrible. These trains are so expensive, and we put such a effort into making these units nice and better than what they are, and this is how they get put in. I mean, it's terrible. We don't know if this guy put it in the dirt yard. You know, it's just unbelievable. So, y'all have a great day.